And welcome back, friends. This is Miami CEO, Indiana. Just a short video today to show you how I cook the fully cooked bacon that will come out almost exactly like taking raw bacon and baking it in the oven or frying it on the stovetop in a fry pan. I do prefer, if I use raw bacon, to actually bake it in the oven. But this is so convenient because it's already fully cooked. You can get this about any grocery store. Sometimes it's just on the shelves. Sometimes it's in the refrigerated or freezer section. But almost any grocery store will have the fully cooked bacon. So anyhow, I'm going to show you two methods. I'm going to show you the method that the package says, heating directions for the microwave oven. And we're going to do 4 slices, and you see it says just to heat for 15 seconds. So I have my bacon on paper towel, microwave safe dish, 4 slices. It says 15 seconds. And then I'm going to show you I have 4 slices also on my pan that goes into my air fryer oven. I just put tin foil just to make cleanup easier, and I'm going to show you the difference on how it comes out. So let's do this first. I'm going to take this and we're going to put this in the microwave. You open the microwave door here. So I'm going to set this in the microwave oven and do exactly like the package told us to go 15 seconds. So we'll do 1, 5, start. So we're cooking it for 15 seconds, just like the package says, and we're going to see how it comes out. But this is great for breakfast. This is great for BLTs, bacon cheeseburgers, because it doesn't take long to make. Okay, so that went 15 seconds, and it says we should have delicious, crispy bacon. But I'm going to show you what we really have. Very limpy bacon. So I found in the microwave you almost have to double the time suggested. Now I do know it does depend on the power of your microwave oven. My microwave is actually a 1000 watt microwave oven, which is pretty standard. But now we're going to do it in my toaster oven. If you don't have one of the air fry toaster ovens like I have here, you could also do it in the old style basket type air fryer as well. Of course, if you do the bacon in here, don't put foil in there. It will block the air. This one's still going to have room for the air circulation. So I'm going to take the bacon that I put on my pan with tin foil on it just for making cleanup easier. I have my air fry oven set to the air fry mode, and I'm just going to crank the dial here, turn it on, and we'll tell you that you have to watch this closely because it goes really fast. Now, it is going to take longer to cook this in an air fry oven or an air fry toaster oven than it would be in your microwave oven, but the quality that you're going to get out of it, I feel, is superior. This bacon that comes out of this will taste almost exactly like you took raw bacon and fried it in a skillet or baked it in your oven. Whereas this, even if I put this in for another 15 seconds, it still does not come out exactly like raw bacon that you would cook on the stove or in your oven. Now, I like my bacon pretty crispy, but I am still going to keep a very close eye on this, because once it starts sizzling, it goes really fast and we don't want it burnt. I'm just going to back up here. Got to get my oven mitt here, be safe. Yep, that's just not done enough for me, that's for sure. See if we can get a close-up in here, what we're have going on in here. Don't really see any sizzling yet. I look for the sizzling. Most of the grease is already cooked out, but there is still some grease, even in the pre-cooked bacon. I find it using it in This style of air fryer, you can't see it while it's cooking, so you got to keep opening it and looking at it. But it takes about 3 minutes on average. I find it comes out really good. It's another reason I like this type of oven, because you can see in exactly what's going on. I don't know if you can see that, but we are starting to get some sizzling going on in our bacon. Again, I like mine really crispy, so you're going to want to watch it to your preference. If you don't like it real crispy, you're going to be taking it out about at this state. I'm going to let mine go just a little bit longer. And that looks like it's, boy, it's really sizzling now. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what we got. So that was only a couple minutes. You can look at the video to know exactly. But I'm telling you, this bacon is going to be real hot here, so I'm going to be careful. This bacon is crispy and a lot more like cooking it from raw state in a skillet or an oven than this is. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I'm telling you, this bacon comes out much better, much more crispy in the way I like it. It does take a little longer, but it does not take near as long as, of course, taking raw bacon and cooking it. But I think you'll find this method a really good method for you if you want to use the fully cooked bacon. So I guess I get not 4, but 8 slices of bacon for my breakfast today, and I'm going to be putting this bacon in my air fryer and finish cooking it. So this is Miami CO Indiana. Just wanted to give you this quick tip that I use. Hope you have a great day. Till next time, please make sure you like the video and subscribe if you did like it, of course. If you didn't like it, just skip the dislike and just get off the channel. But if you want to see more videos, do become a subscriber. I appreciate it, and hope you have a great day. So long, everyone.